The Bounceland Royal Palace Bounce House provides a wide array of activities for children, including bouncing, climbing, sliding, and basketball playing, offering a comprehensive entertainment solution. This bounce house boasts a spacious bouncing area of 8.5 feet by 7 feet, ensuring ample room for children to jump and play. It features a sunroof that can be easily attached or detached using velcro, offering shade on sunny days and ensuring the comfort of the children. The bounce house is easy to set up and take down, inflating in less than a minute, making it a convenient choice for parents. Constructed from heavy-duty puncture-proof materials, it ensures long-lasting durability and can support a maximum weight of 500 pounds with a maximum individual weight of 100 pounds. The Bounceland Royal Palace Bounce House has been tested and approved for meeting and exceeding worldwide safety standards, ensuring a safe and fun environment for children.